welcome to the channel. My name is Mark, and for this video we'll be reacting to a vlog. This is a vlog from or Justin de Dios, one of the members of SB19, and the reason why I'm reacting to this vlog of him, it's because it's gonna be a vlog of him trying out a film camera. And me, as a frustrated and aspiring photographer, I really am fascinated, maybe that's the right term, with film cameras. I watch a lot of film POV photography videos on YouTube, and the creators, or I think the film photographers that I usually watch, are Willem Berwick, if you know him. If you're a film photography enthusiast, you can watch his vlogs. Willem Vervick, Joe Greer, and Bray Hunziker. These are the three YouTubers or creators and film photographers that I watch most of the time because they are so good. I really love how they do or they create this cinematic videos of them doing film photography. There are other creators that I've also watched, but I haven't watched a lot yet of them, so I kind of don't have the familiarity of their ways in doing film photography. But these three are the ones that I really watch a lot. I've been rewatching some of their videos, and yeah, that's the reason why when I saw the video of Ja doing film for the first time, I feel like I should watch this and I should react to this and see what are my thoughts about this video maybe. So yeah, one thing that I know is that film photography is kind of expensive compared to the digital camera or photography, something like that, and it also takes a lot of time. Based on the vlogs that I've watched from other film photographers, it takes a lot of time because they also have to develop the films. They have to, which with film photographers, they are developing their own films already because of the time that it took for a film to be developed if they're gonna go to a shop who develops film. Also, film is expensive, and I think there are not, I don't know, I'm not sure if there's still a lot of films people who uses film. Disposable film cameras, there are a lot. I watched this vlog in Japan where they use disposable film cameras. Let's just jump right into this vlog and see what is this going to be. Let's start watching. The color grading, by the way, alright, so this is, if you've watched my reaction for their Pagsibol album, the jacket making film, I actually asked on that video if what is the camera that Jot was using, if it is Leica, if it is Pentax, because if it is Fuji, because I cannot actually tell. I'm not really an expert when it comes to the cameras, but I do see this type of cameras that are used usually by film photographers. And yeah, and this kind of editing as well, the font that they're using in the video, I don't know if because I haven't really watched a lot of Justin's vlog, but I don't know if the font that they're using and the color grading, I know that he uses this color grading. I don't know if the fonts they used in this one was the same as the fonts that film photographers, when they create videos, they are also using this kind of font. It's kind of like a Kodak kind of style. Yeah, there's always that yellow, but this one is kind of yellow green. So the color grading I like. So this is common for artistic and people who really love colors.
Ko lang paano gamitin. Film
Wala
yun,
pa
di
yan
ba?
naman. Maganda, grabe.
Yashika.
Hindi pa nagagamit.
Ah.
Salamat ka sa nagbigay. Grabe.
Thank you.
Okay, alam ko ito yung part na to, nakikita niyo to, yung parang nasa likod na ano. Diyan nilalagay yung, may nakita ako nilagay dyan yung, di ba sa film, yung sa film mismo, dyan may nilalagay kung ano yung film na ginagamit mo. I think, kung tama ako, yun yung ginawa ng isang film photographer na nakita. And this one is a disposable. Okay, sorry if I'm posting it. Ito, disposable camera to. That's a Kodak. Ano, OG.
Aperture.
Aperture.
1.7 yung pinaka-open niya. Feeling ko mga sharp siya, mga 2.
Yeah. Aperture is like parang kung gaano yung light na gusto mo.
So if sumilip ka dito, di ba nakikita mo yung yellow na patch sa gitna? So, pag hindi ka focus, parang may ghost. So kung nakikita ko sarili ko, dalawa ako. So ang goal mo is, magiging isa. Nice.
Mahirap ang film camera kasi.
Oo, yan ang pambok ka.
Parang malalaman
Yan, i-wind mo siya.
sa bagay magsistop.
Magsa-stop siya. Yes.
Ayan, okay na. Pwede na ako mag-shot.
Pwede ka na mag-shot. Yun na.
Okay. Ayun mo malap.
No?
Ang nakakatawa kasi sa film camera is you don't know if the picture you took after you click the camera, is it like na tama ba yung frame, tama ba yung composition, hindi ba siya blur, hindi ba siya like parang mali yung focus, ganon. It takes time. Hindi siya kumpara sa like digital camera, mga ano yung tawag dyan? DSLR na pwede mo siyang after taking the photo, pwede mo siyang i-delete, like retake the photo again, parang ganun. Ito kasi once na take mo na yung picture, malalaman mo lang na tama yung ginawa mo or maganda yung kuha mo once na develop yung film. So, yun yung mahirap sa film camera.
Oo.
Sa film photography.
Yay!
I don't know with this camera, Yashika.
Parang hindi pa rin kailangan.
May drama.
Kahit tinlay ko na ang
Best ko.
best ko.
Okay. Vintage din yung feel ng vlog. Which is, gano'n naman yung ang vlog ni John.
Dunkin' Donuts, pasalubong ng bayan.
Sana ako seatbelt. Sana ako seatbelt ng isang Justin videos. Di ba sa Rizal to? Sa Masungi G Reserve. Sana ipakita niyo yung mga kuha after.
Yan, nasa Masungi kami. Dito kami nagpa-photoshoot. And ngayon ko rin din tinlay yung film cam. Oh! Where's the takip?
Yeah.
Okay, nakita ko na. Naiwan ko yung takip.
Yes, na ba yung
Dito ako kanina sa studio kami nagtatry ako mag-shoot ng gamit yung film cam. Ngayon din, gamit ako dito sa Masungi. Because it's so good here. Gusto ko makakita ng wild animal or insect. Picturean kita.
Bakit?
wild animal.
Picture tayo. Picture tayo.
Tapos ka na?
Teka lang. Kapag
Picture mo siya, tapos nakaganyan yung mukha niya sa camera. Nakaganyan yung mukha mo.
Laban na ng pinto, competition to, Jack.
Sabi ko kanina, wag niya ikunot eh.
Baby. Oh, gusto kong makita yung mga anya.
Gere.
Makita yung ano mo, film, ay yung picture after. Sungit.
Hindi mo kami kaya magpunta.
Ay, maingay sa likod guys, sorry.
Sa UP Town Center, Dental. Doon ako mag-picture using film cam. Kita pa masama, di ka pa vaccinated. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Good ni Ja.
Trisha. Bye-bye. Good.
And by the way, this kind of music is also like the kind of music that film photographers use for their videos, as well as like street photographers. It's really a good music. Humming music is really good to use for POV, like film photography videos, or POV like photography
Hinatid ko lang si
videos.
mama, hindi talaga ako dapat bumaba dahil matagal pa siya, malilate ako sa dentist. Although dapat kasama ko si mama sa dentist. Susunod na lang daw siya.
So yung mama ni Jan, natuwa ako dun sa sa video ng mama ni Jan na nag-viral. I mean like dun sa live stream ni Stella. At live stream din ni Jan.
So, nandito na ako sa UP Town Center. And hinihintay ko lang si Kuya doon. Then pupunta na kami, papunta na kami sa Novo Dental. Ayos muna ako ng ngipin.
Sana all. Town.
Waiting na lang ako for my turn. Actually, it's a swab. Swab ko lang. We discussed a lot of things. Nag-picture ako konti. Very konti yung picture na. Kasi paubos na yung film. I think 36 films lang meron. Yan, 34.
Oh.
Yun, 2 shots na lang. Yan. Wala akong nakita masyadong dapat picture. Tingnan natin kung ano ang after. Kasi magpapateeth whitening ako para prepare tayo sa concert. Honestly, may sasabihin na rin ako, it's time to share. Hindi ako sure sa mga pinagkuha ako sa kasi
Mahirap kasi talaga ang film.
ang cute! My dog! Anyway, kita niya yan. Maraming details dyan na hindi ko sure. Wala rin akong flash kasi kailangan ko pong bumili ng kinakabit
Hindi rin ako
na flash.
expert when it comes to
So,
like
yung mga indoor shots ko,
film
ewan natin kung
cameras.
itsura. Pero yung mga
Electro
settings na yan,
35.
hindi ko
Yashica,
pa ma-adjust
Electro 35.
masyado.
Tama ba?
Gusto ko makita rin yung result. Unlike sa digital world, pwede ka
Oo.
mag-test-test.
Yun yung
diba?
sinasabi ko
Pagka-test
kanina.
mo, check. Okay,
You
masyado
can
mataas
really
sa IS
redo
mo,
ganun.
mga ganyan. So, masaya makita natin yung result pagka pa-develop natin. So, next, I think siguro yung the next cut nito ay
8K lang pala to.
sa kutina.
I don't know kung ano ba. Yashica. Hindi yata ito yun. Electro Rangefinder Camera made by Yashica.
So, it's a guys, tapos na yung
1960s.
2 sessions ng whitening ko. Nasa yellow lights, puro
Wow,
yellow
the
lights,
dogs
hindi nyo
are
makita masyado. Pero
working.
pag nagkaroon ng time, papakita ko sa inyo yung result. Alis na ako ng Novo Dental. So, bye-bye po! Yay! Thank you po! Thank you so much po! Guys, nandito rin pala si mama kasi nakahabol siya, nagpa-check up na rin siya. Na medyo matagal yung ginawa sa akin. Kuhaan natin si Saoirse. 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 Saoirse.
Sorry for the dogs.
Come on.
May flash. Maganda yun. Kasi indoor.
Hindi pa yan umiinom ng tubig.
Magkakaroon yun ng Vinay. Let's develop the films. Yan, ito na. Developing stage. Hindi ba? Ipapadala mo pa siya. And ngayon, yung mga pinapadevelop na film, pwede na siyang digital alam ko. Like digital copy. Yung matatanggap mo. Okay, getting the film out. Ano nangyari? Walang film?
Alright, so one video will shoot.
Gusto ko umiyak. Wala pala namang film yung camera.
Ay, ano pinagkukunan mo?
Marami, kung ano-ano. Mas wala palang film.
Shucks.
Gagi.
Saan mo dinala yan?
Meron kasi
Ano
siya,
ba yan?
dapat meron eh.
Saan mo dinala yan? Saan ka nag-picture niya?
Yung sa photoshoot natin.
Ano
Yung
mo?
sa yung sa magandang lugar?
Oo.
That is so sad. It's stressful.
Gumawa kami ng album. Para sa album.
Wala.
Yeah, ang ganda mo naman. Sabi ko pa naman sa picturean mo ako, ang ganda ng lugar.
Hindi problema kasi sa film. Hindi mo alam.
Sabi niya ba,
Hindi mo malalaman.
Oh my God, Justin!
Meron yung kalagay dito.
Meron pa kita. Meron pa? Marami pa naman.
Ay, hindi. Wait.
Nagpaturo-turo pa ako. Aba, wala palang laman.
Di mo lang nakalagay.
Walang memories! Sabi, video mo pala.
So
Wala
nag-vlog
pa.
pa ako, no? Binlog ko pa yung mga video picture ko dyan. Kunwari, dala-dala ko pa to, wala palang pera. Tunay!
Wait.
Pinagpawisan ako pa, ikot mga electric pa.
There's a few tips that I can give you. You want to sometimes advance the
Yan.
winder here so that there's an
Mahaba pa ba?
appropriate spot.
Gusto mo makita yung mga result ng shots
Some
na.
cameras, like some Pentax especially, have maybe some white bars
Dapat
running
sumabit
across.
siya dun sa
The
parang
main
ano.
principle is the same. What you want to do is, with the tip
Yan.
fed to,
Tapos
tapping
gaganon
inside.
mo yung parang knob. Alam ko eh. Yung alam.
So,
Hindi
ano
ako
ba
siya expert sa
pa-develop
film
mo na?
cameras. Yung mga basic
Ito
na
lang
alam ko. eh.
naman. Galing. Post
Yung disposable lang.
Picture, kung may kita niyo sa video, sa daming nangyari, di ba? Ang ganda-ganda. Siyempre, expect yung mga result. Tapos,
I was actually waiting for the
Smile pa kami
results.
dun, no? Ganda-ganda ng ano. Ine-expect ko na, ang galing talaga. Dinanong pa kita, sabi mo pa, Stel, isa pa. Sabi ko, okay lang, meron pa. Oh, marami pa. Ang galing. Ang dami nga. Ang dami, Justin. Nakaka-proud naman. Puso mo si Sir.
Sir siya.
Saka ang pangat ng view dyan, pasurahan. Sir, saka, ginising talaga yung pusa, eh, no?
Kailangan natin mag-photoshoot, Sir siya. Kasi wala ako.
Sir, siya. Ano?
Wait, dito.
Pinainom. Nati-check niya yung gatas kung malamig na. Wow, pumesto. Very good yan ah.
Di ba dapat may mafe-film mo kung
Hindi rin siya sure.
merong laman o hindi? Di ba? Dapat.
Hi, Sir Sha. Sir Sha.
Ay, hindi ako sure.
Sir Sha.
Wala palang film. Sayang. Like, I wanna see the photos.
Maybe with my milk, no?
Ito lang yung meron ako. Hindi ko na muna siya ipapadala or ipapadevelop. So, abangan ang part 2 pag meron na ulit akong pag meron na ulit akong film. Abangan ang part 2 dahil doon ko na lang isasabay to ipa-develop. Kasi sayang naman kung isa lang, 'di ba? So,
Tama.
see you sa susunod na film related vlog.
I'll be watching
Sana
the...
na-enjoy nyo. Ang ganda ng results, di ba? Sobrang, heartfelt.
Nakakaiyak. Sobra. Hi guys, so yun na nga. I was actually excited to see the photos that Justin took, but eventually, wala palang film yung camera. So yun nga yung sinasabi ko, that's the thing about doing film photography. Hindi mo talaga malalaman kung maganda yung kuha, yung nagawa mo, or kung hindi, malalaman mo naman. Like, if ever, mo may way para malaman mo na meron talagang laman yung camera. Like, maybe because it's his first time kasi, kaya hindi pa feel na Justin yung paggamit ng camera, maybe. Kasi alam ko, hindi ako sure dito pero feel ko kasi, with those film photographers, malalaman nila yung feel kapag may namang film or wala yung isang camera when they take photos. So yeah, if those who are watching this, if you're interested to see film photographers and na pinapanood ko, watch nyo. I'll put a link of those channels on the description of this video if you're interested. And if ever panoorin to ni Justin, baka interested din siya to watch the film photographers. Kung gusto lang naman niya. At hindi ko naman sure kung mapapanood niya to. Basta yun nga ang mga suggest ko pag lalagay ko sa description ng video na to yung mga links nila. Pero pag gusto niyo i-search, search nyo Willem Verbeek. Lalagay ko dito yung mga Willem Verbeek, Bray Honziker, and si Joe Greer. Joe Greer. Sila? Nasa US. Sila na pinapanood ko. Film photographers sa Pilipinas wala pa akong alam na nag-POV style video for film photography. So if you know, let me know. Gusto ko rin mag-check ng mga film photographers. I know a film photographer, pero hindi siya nag-video. Yung kapatid ni Elijah Canlas, si Jerome Canlas, and I think Elijah also, they also do film photography. Alam ko. So yeah, I think that's it for this reaction. I hope in the future makagawa ko rin ganyang video na meron akong film camera. Actually gusto ko siyang gawin, pero nga wala pa tayong budget ngayon. So yeah, like nitong video para magkaroon tayo ng budget. Subscribe kayo sa channel para in the future baka makagawa din ako ng film photography videos. You want to check some of the photos that I took using my mobile phone though, you can follow me on my Instagram. Scroll kayo sa medyo past sa mga recent photos because hindi yun mga kinuha sa phone, but I have a lot of photos on my Instagram that you can check if you want to see the photos that I took when I did some POV photography street photography using my mobile phone. You can check that one out again on my Instagram. It's flashing dito. So yeah, thanks for watching. Click the like button, subscribe to the channel, click notification bell for you to be updated. Hanggang sa sunod na para kita, continue smiling. Amping lang kanunay. Bye.